Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is the February 2022 sheet load of cards. Alicia from the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel designs and creates a sheet load of cards every month. And what that is a way for you to make a set of cards using a guide, and it tells you how many pieces of paper you'll need and how to cut it and how to put it on, and also gives you some hints and tips for different ways of making the cards. If you click on the hashtag SUYS February 2022, which is show us your sheet load, then you can see how each member of the collaboration team used the same sketch and supply list to create their sheet loads. So let me show you what I made for February. So when I am choosing the materials to use, I usually take an inspiration piece. Sometimes it's a paper collection, sometimes it's just a piece of paper. In this case, it was this ephemera. These wreaths had a bit of rose gold in them, and so I used a piece of rose gold foil cardstock as one of the background pieces in this card. I also used the rose gold as a base for the sentiment and stamped with white embossing ink and embossed it. And instead of having the strip that it's called for in the card sketch, the sentiment is sort of linear, and that did the trick. Now I'm going to take a few seconds to put everything together, and I just want to explain my process a little. I take one of each of the strips, and the measurements are in the sheet load of cards. You can download it, look at the link in the description box. So I take number 1, number 2, and number 3. And then when I do the next one, I take number 2, number 3, and then number 1. Now once all those are together, then I put them on the card base. And here I'm using that bright orange spacer just to make sure everything lines up. I'd love to see you play along. If you do, make sure you use the hashtag SUYS February 2022 so we can see what you make. It's also listed at the top of the page and in the description box. And just a reminder, don't forget to check out Call Me Crafty Al's YouTube channel. Her link again is in the description box, and it tells you how you can download the sheet load of cards for February 2022. Then I go ahead and put the wreaths on the cards. I realize they're self-adhesive. And then I put the sentiment on using some dimensional adhesive just to give it a little pop. And then just like that, we have 6 cards all completed, ready to write something inside. If you want, you can stamp a sentiment inside, but they are ready to rock and roll. I really loved this sheet load. I could see it working in so many ways. I mean, just think of all those scraps. Even if you don't want to make 6, you can easily make 1 or 2. The instructions for making individual cards are also listed in the description box. So thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.